What's up guys, Hozo FX here. Today I'll be sharing with you how I was able to catch a perfect entry on German 30 using SMC strategy. Another important thing that I have to tell you guys is I don't have a laptop to trade, I don't have a PC, whatever those things people use to trade. I only have my phone. I'm using what I have to make money. So if you want to know how I was able to catch this perfect entry using my phone, I'll be showing you shortly after this. Here we are guys with that German 30 trade, and then I'm gonna show you how I was able to spot the trade. The trade was right here. Let me zoom in. This was the trade of German 30 before I caught it. It was right here, and I'm gonna show you how I was able to spot this beautiful trade in a second. Well, before I start trading, I always go to my high time frame to see the overall direction of the market, to see if whether we are uptrending, downtrending, or in a consolidation phase. So this is the daily time frame. I went to my daily time frame and seen that we are uptrending, that we are going up because we are breaking structures after structures. That's how I was able to spot it, and so that we are trading upwards. We are involved in a bullish trend because we are moving in something like this, breaking higher highs and higher highs and higher highs. So I was able to spot it, and that's what confirmed with you, okay, we are involved in a uptrending market. And I was convinced to go to, okay, from this point we're going to look for buying opportunities. Then I went down to my forward time frame to look for buying opportunities, or looking for my 4-hour order blocks and everything. And then when I went to my 4-hour time frame, I spotted a lot of things. First of all, I spotted a break of structure. Was the first thing I spotted. Break of structure, and we were breaking structures after structure, breaking structure after structure. That's what I've seen, that okay, we are breaking structures using my SMC strategy, which deals with order blocks, break of structures, fair value gaps, and everything. After spotting that, the second thing I've seen, I'm sorry about that. And the second thing I've seen, I saw these candles right here. I saw these candles. These candles are called fair value gaps or inefficiency. They were creating inefficiency in this position. It means it's telling us that the price was inefficient, which means the price will come back because the market was still at this point. So it was still trending at that point. And I saw that we are having inefficiency at this point. We are having inefficiency. These candles are creating inefficiency, which means the sellers didn't have enough, or the sellers didn't have a chance to sell, which means the market is gonna go back to fill these gaps. These are called institutional gaps, or fair value gaps, or imbalance, or inefficiency, however you want to call it. Then that was my second my second confluence, that we are about to go down and then fill this gap. And then I'll ask myself, if we are going down because we are involved in an uptrend, and I'm seeing that we will still go down to fill the gaps, where will I spot a buy position, or where will I position my buys? And then I looked for an order block. An order block in this case, since we're involved in a downtrend, I'll explain everything. I'll explain the parts of my strategy in another video. Today I'm going to show you how I was able to spot it. I looked for my order block, and then I found this long wick right here forming an order block. An order block, in simple terms, it's since we are involved in an uptrend, is the last down candle in this point. And then I was able to spot that. Let me increase this. I'm sorry. Trading on your phone sometimes is very difficult, bro. Because you can't like, but as long as we are making money out of it, I don't care. Then I spot my order block, and then I put my buy limit somewhere here. I always put buy limits and sell stops so that I don't miss, because I'm always in school, so sometimes I'll miss the trade because I forgot I was in class. And then risk to reward ratio was 1:4. I always target 1:4, but at this point I saw another candles which were forming inefficiency, fair value gaps, and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna reduce my risk to reward ratio. And then what happened, we took profit on that trade. And that's how I was able to spot this beautiful entry. And some of you, I know some of you don't know or don't understand the type of strategy that I'm using. And there's going to be a video where I'm explaining my strategy step by step, and explaining what are other blocks, what are inefficiencies, what are breakup structures, what to look at in the market. But this was how I was able to spot this beautiful trade using SMC strategy, trading on my phone with TradingView. And you can do anything. You can trade on your phone, man, and stop giving excuses that you're gonna trade and like until you get you're gonna trade by the time you get a PC. You're only gonna procrastinate until you die. So you gotta use what you have. So this is what I'm using. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like button, and comment on what you want me to produce for you, or if you have any questions, leave the comments down below and I'll answer to every question of you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.